guys, welcome back. My name is Sangeeta Mehta and you're watching my channel, My English Magazine. This is the name of my blogger, my web, My English Magazine, and Twitter, LinkedIn, my Facebook, Google, and my channel on YouTube and My English Magazine, and also on Wikipedia. You can find My English Magazine on everywhere. Now today I explain to you gerund. What is the gerund? Gerund phrases are a tricky bunch because they are created out of verbs but function as nouns. Once you can identify a gerund phrase, you will know more about the sentences structure. Keep reading to learn more about gerund phrases and how they work. What is gerund phrase? This is a question. Gerund phrases begins with gerunds, which are ing verbs. That function as nouns. Examples of the gerund in simple sentence include I love swimming. Performing is so fun. Walking relaxes me. You can replace swimming, performing, and walking with other nouns, and the sentences would still make sense. That's because these words are functioning as nouns, not verbs. Gerund phrases are found when you add more words to the gerund in a simple sentence, such as I love swimming in the pool. Performing with my band is so fun. Walking on the beach relax me. A gerund phrase starts with a gerund and includes other modifiers or objects. Knowing that gerund always function as nouns, remember that gerund phrases will also serve as nouns. We will see them in one of four positions in a sentence: subject, complement, object, or other of a preposition. Gerund phrases as a subject. As the subject of a sentence, a gerund phrase will be the main focus on what the sentence is about. The gerund phrase is actually performing the action in the sentence. Example of gerund phrase as a subject include drinking Coke is the perfect way to end a rainy day. Running with the dog exhilarates Marcy every morning. Reading from a poetry anthology warms Aaron's heart and soul. Working through the night leads to stress and insomnia. The verbs in these sentences are is, exhilarates, warms, and leads. The gerund phrases are performing these actions, and the rest of the sentence explain more about the gerund phrase. Gerund phrase as subject complements with subject complements and predicate nominative in particulars in mind Gerund phrase that act as subject complement follow forms the verb to be such as is, were and have been. Here are some examples. John's activity of choice has been playing tennis at the local club. The school activity Mary hated the most was talking algebra exams. My goal for the weekend is sleeping until noon. The most challenging part of the workout has been running up till. Notice how these gerund phrases follow the verb of the sentence but modify the subject rather than the verb itself. You can substitute any of these gerund phrases with another noun such as basketball advertisement. Gerund phrase as object. Now I explain to you gerund phrase as a subject and subject complements. Now I explain to gerund phrase as an object. What is the object? Now I explain to you the object of the sentence is something that's receiving the action of the verb. Typical sentences will have a subject of the subject verb indicating what the subject is doing. And an object that's responding to the verb. Here are some examples of the gerund phrases functioning as object. Thank you very